Why are farmland boundary lines changing with erosion? Have you ever wondered why farmland boundary lines seem to shift over time? The answer lies in the natural process of erosion, which can significantly alter the landscape. Erosion occurs when soil is worn away, often by water or wind, leading to changes in the physical markers that define property limits. Farmland boundaries are typically established by features like fences, hedgerows, ditches, or natural landmarks such as rivers. When erosion takes place, these features can move or degrade. For instance, if a riverbank erodes, the river may change its course, which can shift the boundary line if that river is used as a legal marker. Similarly, soil loss along the edges of fields can cause the land to recede, effectively altering the boundary line on the ground. Several factors influence erosion, including land use, slope, rainfall intensity, and vegetation cover. Changes in farming practices or the structure of the landscape can speed up erosion rates. For example, if protective vegetation is removed or tillage practices are altered, soil loss can increase, leading to quicker boundary shifts. From the perspective of farmland investment and agricultural real estate valuation, these changing boundary lines have important implications. Accurate legal surveys are essential to establish current property lines, as historic boundaries may no longer reflect the actual land area. Investors and landowners need to consider erosion risk when assessing farmland value. Ongoing soil loss can reduce productive acreage and impact long-term land stability. Historic field boundaries and landscape features can also influence erosion patterns. Maintaining or restoring these boundaries can help reduce soil loss and preserve farmland. On the other hand, if boundary features deteriorate or are removed, erosion can worsen, leading to further changes in boundaries. In essence, farmland boundary lines change with erosion because soil loss physically alters the land's shape and the position of natural or constructed boundary markers. This dynamic affects farmland valuation and requires careful legal surveying and erosion risk assessment in agricultural real estate transactions. Understanding and managing erosion through landscape and land use practices is key to preserving farmland boundaries and investment value.